Daniel, and we're on our epic adventure. This is take 2 of our Coke Rockets. Gonna go sky high, sucker. And here's Ryan with all the news.
Come over here, guys. This is how you do it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, you don't do that.
We have a leak.
You don't do that. Don't shake the bottle or anything. Okay. Okay, you put that in there.
Do it quickly, Ryan.
Okay, so you shake it up. Oh yeah, baby.
Get back, Thomas, get back. Shake it up.
Don't forget to loose it.
Ready? Yeah, turn it off here.
Go, go, go.
Told you that's how you do it. Okay.
It didn't get very high.
Mentos. Okay. Now
Oh crap, there's so much battery.
Stop.
Oh, this is Thomas, and it's his turn to have some fun. Okay, here we go.
Holy shit.
Yep, whatever.
Thank you, Ryan. Very kind.
Mine was the best.
Kind words from Ryan.
Okay. As you might have heard by that from Ryan,
Still got a bit of rap on it.
Shut up.
it seems now that me and Ryan have a bit of a competition to see who can make the best Coke bomb.
Not really.
Okay, shut up, Ryan. Okay. Now what you do is you take off the lid, then you got to put in the Mentos. You have to put it in there. You have to quickly shut the lid so none gets out. Then what you do is you gotta shake
Look
it
at
up.
this douchey voice. Listen
You
to
gotta
it.
shake it up. Shut up, ugly. Nobody likes
Shake it harder.
Oh,
Oh, you shake that thing, Thomas.
I'm sorry. Okay, now it's all shaking up and shit. Okay. Now you gotta loosen up the. And you have to go very quickly. You have to loosen.
I win.
Oh, dude. Oh, my mom's camera. She's gonna hate me now. Thanks a lot. Yep.
I think I won, didn't I? Yes, I won.
This is gonna be fucked now.
You win this.